we're still chugging away. It's kind of nice to get out here and be physically fit. So I'm not such a fat fuck. Anyway, we're having the girls are now friends again after they fought about, don't run, they're slippery rocks, about how they fought about who was gonna be the leader when they can't just stand and walk with one another and hold hands. I don't get it. Colin just fell on his ass. I'm sure he's all wet. He says he's doing parkour, which I don't know how he knows that. But we're almost... Where are they? These girls. They're... Watch where you're... Well, look at me. I'm saying watch where you're walking while I'm walking on this. As you can hear Colin saying, you guys are jerks. See, this all used to be flat and perfect. All these big rocks were all, you can't see it, but we had a few hurricanes that totally ruined, like they all look like this. And now they look like this. I don't know if you saw it, but this is a little easier. Whew. There's my Colin. All right, we'll be back.